I made a wonderful but not terribly surprising discovery in one of my winter squash. I had two of these. They were just leaning up against the wall in the kitchen next to the stove, and I finally cut into one of them. And I found about, well, more than 100 of the seeds in there had already started sprouting. So this mother squash was going to be putting out a whole bunch of babies. And I decided, yay. So even though my potting area is not ready because we're still only in the beginning of the second week of April and we can't really put much outside until close to Mother's Day, I thought, okay, I've got to get these into some soil. So I went ahead and prepared some pots, and they do like to be planted about 1 inch deep. I had to be careful not to break the roots off when I put them in these pots. I've probably got close to 75 in pots right now. And once I get them covered up, I put a little topsoil over the top just to help them get that 1 inch that they really like. Once I've got them in the pots, I took the seeds over to some rainwater that I had sitting in a tub. I use that to water my plants from below. And it really soaks up the water quickly in these little shallow 4-packs that I have. You can just sort of watch it. It'll come up right through the top. Do you see the top right cell there? That water already came up. So then I take it out of the water once it's soaked from below and put it on top of something else in there. I've got a whole bunch of these in there. Now these are, they're going to be in the basement. I still have, look at all these I have left. They'll be in the basement till they're ready to be outside. And I still have a whole other squash left. We're going to have so much fruit, but I have 64 more cells. They've got the coir, the coconut coir, and so it has to absorb some more moisture, then I'll plant the rest of the seeds.